evening, Imko.
Libo, good evening, my sexy lady.
It was very funny. Sit down, please.
Ah, already done.
Yes, I see it.
Oops.
So,
You can start with your interview.
is everything okay?
Yes, it's so nice to be here with you. You are a very nice girl.
Yes, of course. So, in this interview, I would like to ask you some questions about your new movie with Pinky. Tell me what you think.
Pinky. She's so nice girl. We have a lot of fun.
Yes.
It was like a dream after the movie.
Really?
Yes.
That must be a very good friendship, right?
Oh no, it's more than friendship.
More? How do you mean it? Explain it to me, please.
It's a long story. A love story.
A love story?
Yes.
We have time. Explain it.
So in the short, it's a very good relationship between us.
A relationship?
Yes.
Yes, of course. So, you have a relationship with Pinky, and how long do you have an affair with her?
Oh, since the movie had started.
Of course. Did you know her before?
No, it was the first time.
Yes, really.
Mm.
Hey, what's that? There are kiss proofs in your face and on your shoulder. Are they from Pinky?
Yes, you are right.
Yes, of course. I thought that. Okay. Can we continue with the interview?
Of course.
Okay. And do you think it's real love between you and Pinky?
Right a moment. Okay. You can continue.
Yes, give me an answer.
What did you say?
Do you think that is real love between you and Pinky?
Of course. I love her. She loves me. She has a very hot body.
Yes, of course. I'm sorry, but I don't think so. But hey, what's
Hey.
that?
Oops. Oops. Hey, give it to me, please.
No, let me see the photos. So, this is Pinky.
And Bobby.
This is Pinky, her new girlfriend, and that's Bobby, her dog.
You are
And
right.
what's on the second photo? Hey, there's a second woman. Who is this woman?
That's Black Pearl.
No, please don't make another kiss proof on the photo. We are on the TV show.
Okay.
Is everything okay with you?
Yes.
That's good. So, this is also Pinky. And do you think it's real love with Black Pearl?
Of course.
You think it's real love with Pinky and it's real love with Black Pearl?
Yes.
Everything isn't right here.
Everything is right. Hmm?
And why did you kiss the dog?
Oh, Bobby. He has a very cute nose.
Yes, so you want to tell me that you kiss the dog?
Yes.
You kiss the nose from the dog?
Yes, right.
I'm not sure that the dog like that.
He likes it. He likes doing things with his nose.
You mean that he likes to do dirty things with his nose?
Dirty things?
Yes.
No.
He comes with you and Pinky in the bedroom.
Yes. Right? Bobby, you are so cute.
And then he do dirty things with his nose.
Right, if you think so.
It's very terrible. But okay, if you like it, and Pinky and Black Pearl like it too, so it's okay.
Right.
Okay.
You are so
the-
sweet. Don't be sad.
I'm not sad, I have a boyfriend.
Yes, of course.
Yes. So this is Pinky and this is Bobby and this is Black Pearl. And she says that real love with all these persons, if you can say a person to a dog, but it's her opinion. So I have no more questions to you.
Okay. But I have a question for you.
Yes.
Do you have a family?
No, I have a boyfriend. And I love him all over the world.
If you want to have a real family, come to Bobby, Black Pearl, Pinky and me.
No, my boyfriend is my real family, I'm sure. I don't want to love a woman. No.
Look for a woman like me.
No, that's no good idea, I think. Not really. So, thank you for this interview. I wish you a nice evening with Pinky, Bobby and Black Pearl. And so, we probably see us after the show. Bye.
Of course, we'll see us after the show.
Yes, of course.
Bye.
Bye.